Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and I have another tutorial of a RIIZE character. This time we have Meongnyongie, which is Anton's character from RIIZE. So first we're going to take some light beige clay and roll it into a flattened oval shape. This will be the head. Then for the body we're going to take the same beige clay and roll it out and cut off the end and place that onto the head. Next we're going to take the beige clay and roll it into a long carrot shape, and we're just going to place that onto the front of the body. These will be the front legs. Then it has a little tuft of fur in the chest, so we're going to take some beige clay and flatten that out. Then we're going to cut out a little rectangle shape. And we're gonna make some indents, and I made it a little bit more dramatic using my clay blade. And then we're gonna place that on the chest of our Meongnyongie. Now for the back legs, we're gonna take some carrots of beige clay and cut it at a slant and place that in the back. For the ears, we're gonna take some brown clay and flatten it out into a teardrop shape. And we're going to place that on the sides of the head. For the tail, it has a little dinosaur tail, so we're going to take some green clay and roll into a cone shape and cut off the end and place that onto the back of our little dog. And we're going to put 3 little triangles on the tail and 3 slightly bigger triangles on the back of the head. Then we're going to give it some oval eyes, an oval nose, a lined smile, a half circle pink tongue, and 3 little lines on each side of the face for the blush. And here is our completed Meongnyongie. I hope you all enjoyed this video and be on the lookout for the next character. Thank you.